A surprising, sudden and a stunning exit of Jagdeep Dhankar as the Vice President of the country. And adding to what exactly happened in the past few hours is no farewell speech, no farewell address, and in many ways a no farewell, so to say, ceremony for Jagdeep Dhankar. That raised questions too. Top sources, however, confirming to India Today that there's a reason. And this is not out of protocol. The reason is, according to our sources, that there is no provision of a farewell speech if someone resigns mid-term, which happened with Jagdeep Dhankar right now. Farewell happens when there is a full term that's completed. So that's the latest what has come in. My colleague Piyush Mishra joins me for the latest on that. Piyush, so there are definitely a lot of unanswered questions. Tell me about at least people who were expecting, shouldn't there be at least a farewell address, a farewell ceremony for Jagdeep Dhankar? What are sources in the government telling you?
Well, Pooja, the sources in the government have confirmed to us that there will be no farewell speech. Any kind of program will not be organized for the final goodbye of Jagdeep Dhankar, and that's because of the decision which he has taken, where he has decided to resign mid-term. Remember that his term was to expire in August 2027. Yes. He had to complete his 5th term. But that did not happen. He has resigned midway, and that's why there will be no farewell. That's what the set protocols are also telling us. On the other side, what we are also given to understand is that very soon a notification will also be issued by the Election Commission of India for the election of a new Vice President. Why? Because the post of Vice President of India is a constitutional post and it needs to be filled as soon as possible. The government sources have confirmed to us that it will be done as soon as possible, and as soon after the notification is out, a new name will be given by both the sides, from the NDA side, from the India bloc side, and then we will see the entire process be followed in the election of a new Vice President. But there will be no farewell. That's what we have now been told.
A quick question, Piyush, because the Parliament is in the session. What happens then in the Rajya Sabha right now, as in when the session reconvenes? There would be an acting chair, but we will not see Jagdeep Dhankar here on at all.
Well, Harivansh, who is the deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha, he is already acting as the chairperson of Rajya Sabha. And remember that today in the morning at 11 a.m. The Rajya Sabha resumed, he was also fulfilling his duty as the chairperson of Rajya Sabha, and he was also chairing the entire proceedings. In fact, he has also met with the President of India, and this meeting was also very important. So now, till the time there is no new Vice President announced or elected, Harivansh is going to fulfill all the duties, and he will be sitting there at the chair as he is the deputy chairperson of Rajya Sabha.
So, Piyush, no farewell ceremony, no farewell address, and many will say whether this is unceremonial, the manner in which this has happened. However, he has said that this has come with regard to healthcare, medical reasons, and he's aiding to that medical advice. Appreciate you joining us, Piyush Mishra, for all the latest, and I'll keep coming back to you as and when more updates have happened.